Featured in Palm Springs Life magazine, the Skyfall House is an incredible architectural gem in the tranquil Cahuilla Hills of Mesa. Welcome to Wander Skyfall Canyon. I'm Frankie, and I will be showing you around this amazing and modern 2,800 square foot home that features 3 bedrooms, comfortably sleeping 6, 3.5 bathrooms, and a fantastic outdoor courtyard with an incredible saltwater pool and hot tub and amazing mountain views. Now, are you ready to take a step into this James Bond villa? Come on, let's go take a peek. Now, right through the front doors, you will first step into the spacious and stylish living room that has a very contemporary design. The open layout and your surrounding floor-to-ceiling windows create a very expansive feel of the space. But I want to point you to what first caught my eye when I first walked in here. You have a gorgeous crystal chandelier that serves as an artistic focal point, really just adding to the elegance you feel in the living space. And then right underneath of the chandelier, you will find a coffee table. You have an 85-inch Samsung frame TV paired with a Sonos soundbar, a chic dark tiled gas fireplace that is absolutely stunning. I love the placement of it here in the corner. And you have plenty of cozy seating from the groovy days of the standard hotel. I mean, this room is just so elegant. It makes you just want to lounge, relax with a nice cold martini in hand, shaken, not stirred, of course. Now, up the little set of stairs from our living room, we have our beautiful dining space where we have a glass dining table that seats 8, and then above that you will notice another glamorous crystal chandelier that really just ties this whole room together. The chef's kitchen is spacious and chic with sleek white tile flooring and cabinetry up against black polished countertops. Now, I love the layout of this kitchen. You have a wet bar and breakfast bar in the front here, facing directly out to our pool and hot tub. It is fully stocked on the side here with everything you need. You have glasses, a fridge and freezer, a sink, and all kinds of different bar kit items. And it's only steps away from our outdoor space. I mean, I think that just warrants a super fun pool party. And now further back into the kitchen, you will spot 2 artistic wired chandeliers, and underneath we have a sleek induction stovetop meticulously built into this middle kitchen island here. You have high-end stainless steel appliances built into the whole kitchen design. We have coffee makers for you, cookware, bar glasses, dishware, and anything you need to create a wonderful meal. Well, one really cool thing when you're staying at a Wander is that you can have our concierge recommend a local private chef in the area to come to the house and cook a meal for you and your party. How amazing is that? Both of those options, of course, are great. And whenever you're ready to enjoy that meal, you can enjoy it in our indoor dining table we just saw, or you can dine al fresco here at Skyfall Canyon in our outdoor courtyard, where you'll find a grill perfect for barbecuing and a picnic-style dining table that has enough room for 6. Now, down past our living room on the other end of the house, you can walk down the beautifully decorated hallway and step into luxury with our modern primary bedroom. With a king-size bed, a TV, a crisp white color palette with rich turquoise accents, this room really just exudes freshness and tranquility. You will find contemporary furnishing like your swivel chairs here, side tables, a sleek bed frame, and you have ample storage space on the back wall here. But the most amazing part about your primary bedroom here is that you have floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors that bring in stunning natural light and gives you direct access to our outdoor space. So just imagine waking up first thing in the morning, being able to step on out to the fresh Palm Springs air, maybe with a cup of coffee in hand, or in the evening stepping out with a cocktail and watching watching the sunset go down over the mountains. I mean, you cannot get a better sunset than here in the desert. In every Wander bedroom, we focus on your comfort. We want you to sleep better here than you do in your very own house. So we make sure that all of our mattresses uses the latest in sleep technology so that you will wake up fully refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to start your day here in Palm Springs. You can personalize your comfort from plush to firm depending on your taste. That way you get the best night's sleep of your life. And then in addition to that, we provide wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds, so you don't have to worry if you forgot to pack your own. The in-suite primary bathroom is an expansive sanctuary with a minimalist but luxurious design. You can enjoy the double sink vanity adorned with an iridescent mosaic tiling, which I think is just such a beautiful touch to this bathroom. And then across the way, you will find a freestanding open walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head paired with a large window so you can enjoy the nature and views along with your shower. Now I have to point out my favorite thing in this bathroom. You have an iconic yellow ball chair. I mean, this is just such a fun piece in here. Perfect to just lounge after a long day, maybe with a face mask on, and just enjoy all of the luxury that surrounds you in here. And then you have access to your own private courtyard here, perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee or lounging with a book. And then in the primary bathroom, you will find a built-in laundry unit so you can clean all of your clothes after a day of adventuring out in the canyons. I mean, who wants to go home with dirty clothes? I know I don't. You will find high-end amenities in every single Wander bathroom, like hand-picked shampoos, body washes, and conditioners. All of these ensure the highest level of quality. You're also going to find plush towels, robes, and slippers. And let me tell you, during every single one of my stays, I always look forward to putting on my Wander robe. These things are so comfortable and perfect for lounging around the house. Then next to our primary, you will find another bedroom with a queen-size bed, a TV, a cozy sitting space, an in-suite luxury bathroom, and you have access to your own outdoor seating space that immerses you into the rock hillside. On the other end of our beautiful home here, right next to our kitchen, you will spot a half bathroom placed here for your convenience. You can step into our third and final king suite bedroom with a sleek bed frame, a TV. You have those classic retro swivel chairs here, a large closet, an in-suite luxurious bathroom, and my favorite thing in here is that you will spot two James Bond posters. You're actually going to see those theme pieces all throughout the entire home, but I especially love the ones on the wall in here. But get ready, from this bedroom, you have a sliding glass door where you are just steps away from our outdoor pool and hot tub. I mean, you are literally going to feel like you're in your own personal spa while staying here. Now that's the interior of our incredible home here, but here are some more features that you should know about that will enhance your vacation. Make family traveling a breeze with Wander. We provide you with essential children's items like high chairs, kids items in the kitchen, and cribs, so those are just some items you don't have to worry about packing on your travels. Designed by famed architect R. Denzel Lee in 1963, this mid-century modern masterpiece features a stunning saltwater circular pool beneath an open oculus overhang. The home wraps around the whole entire pool in our outdoor courtyard, creating for a super extraordinary living experience. This pool and attached hot tub really is the epitome of relaxation and luxury. The architecture out here is just so stunning. I cannot get over it, and this is definitely where you get those 007 vibes of the house. Take in breathtaking 270-degree views of the city lights, the mountains, and the valley, all from your Skyfall House oasis. By day, you can lay in the desert sun on the day bed or the many lounging chairs, and by night, you can be stargazing in our heated spa or fireside with your friends and family. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your trip? Well, then we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within the area. But are you looking for more specific help? Well, our Wander Concierge team can help you. Just simply text them at the numbers shown here on the screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special memories like weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create memories that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover more on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Thank you for joining me here at Wander Skyfall Canyon. With our house tour complete, we're gonna go explore the surrounding area because there is a ton to do and see here. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We're so excited to welcome you here in sunny Palm Springs. We'll see you soon.